Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can replace or delete your word from your text file. When you have larger text file, you cannot simply delete or you cannot select single word and delete it. It's a time consuming process. It's a time killing process for you. So in this method I'm going to show you how you can simply replace and delete your word from your text file with Notepad. So for this I'm going to open my file from here. You just see a last text file in my Notepad. So if you guys don't see my last video how to generate video to text file or convert video to text file in Premiere Pro, you can see this video how I just simply convert video file to text file. So when I convert my text file, I just see this word from here. It's a timestamp and a speaker from here. It show me unknown. I just select unknown in Premiere Pro. So I'm just show you how you can simply this word. Just a one click from here. So I just select this word unknown from here and I just copy from here. I need to go to in edit. Now you can see replace from here. If you want to change another word with unknown like ABCD or your name, or you just need to delete from here, you just simply click on replace all from here. So I just click on replace all. Now boom, you just see there are no unknown word are still available in here. So next I need to delete this number from here. So how you can easily this number from here, I just show you. Now we need to delete this and now I just click number from here. First I choose 0 from here and I select replace all. Now you can see my all 0 are deleted in my text file. Then I click on 1 and click on replace all. So I just continue this process. Congratulations guys, you can see our all unnecessary word or text file is deleted from here. This way you can simply delete your all text file from here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to your favorite channel Full Course.